Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. The politician or what is called leaders, Andhra, they will promise you that you will be happy in this way, you give me vote and I shall bring heaven for you and let me become minister, that is all, you simply wait. And as soon as I become a minister and president, I will give you such and such benefit. So you select Mr. Nixon. And again you become disappointed. Then we request, Mr. Nixon, you get out. And we accept another fool. This is good. This is good. But Shastra said, you will not be getting right information in that way. This foolish man, they will promise you something and he is unable to make you happy, you will be again disappointed, again regret. Then where from I shall get the right information? That Veda says, Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigachet. If you want right information, then go to the Guru. And who is Guru? That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explains that Hamara Gai Guru Haiya Taro Sarva. He says, you just become on my order. Guru means who carries the order of Krishna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. Or who is Krishna's servant. That is Guru. Nobody can become Guru unless he carries the order of the Supreme. Therefore, you will find, because every one of us, yes, we do not know what is our self-interest, and somebody comes, I am Guru. How you become Guru? No, I am self-perfected. I don't require to read any book. I have come to bless you. And the foolish rascals, they do not know how he can become Guru. If he does not follow the Shastra or the supreme authority, Krishna, how he can become? But they accept Guru. So this kind of Guru is going on. But you should know, Guru means who carries the order of the supreme law. That is Guru. Any rascal who manufactures some idea is not Guru. Immediately kick him out. Immediately. That is, this is a rascal, this is not a Guru. Guru is here, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Amar Aggai Guru Haiya. Guru means the faithful servant of God. That is Guru. So you have to first of all test. Are you faithful servant of God? If he says, no, I am God, kick him on his face immediately. Kick him immediately. That you have come to cheat us. Because taste is there. That Guru means faithful servant of God. Simple. You don't require large definition what is Guru. So Vedic knowledge gives you indication that tadvijnanatham. If you want to know the science of spiritual life, tadvijnanatham. So Guru meva vigachet, you must approach Guru. And who is Guru? Guru means who is the faithful servant of God. Very simple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,